Hey Dr. Trinnell, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that HillCrest Chiropractic can do today to help bring in more customers to y'all's business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, now why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people a 3-step plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm fine with that too. I really enjoy just being able to help out people who own businesses. So now, let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So looking at your website here, I like the layout and I like how easy it is for people to navigate through here and just really figure out that y'all are in 2 different locations, Gatesville and Waco, and they can tell exactly what you do by looking at your website. But going back to content, so Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page, and all of that content needs to have keywords in it that are relatable to your industry. So in y'all's case, it would be someone searching chiropractor Waco, Texas on Google. Well, looking here, it's looking like you have probably 500 to 600 words worth of content. I'm actually going to go to this tool that I have called SEO Quake that looks at websites. And y'all are running 450 words right now. And let's go take a look at your keywords. And you're running 68 organic keywords. So not only does your content quantity need to go up, but so does your keyword density. Like I said, we need to be pushing to about 1,500 words worth of content, and then we need to drive those organic keywords up as well. Now, let's take a look at the top competition in the area's website, which is going to be Allied Chiropractic. And so they have a bunch of content here and videos and their text and whatnot. I'm going to go to SEO Quake for them. And it's looking like they're running close to 1,400 words. And then 270 organic keywords. Now, I want to back up for a second. So I typed into Google chiropractic Waco. Oh, there's supposed to be an X at the end of that. Go ahead and search that. So the first ones to pull up are The Joint, followed by Allied Chiropractic right after that. Now, I've kind of disregarded The Joint just because they seem to be a kind of broader span company that has a bunch of different locations in a bunch of different cities in this part of the U.S. But looking at Allied Chiropractic, we can actually go to Ahrefs, this other tool that I have, and we can see they're pulling in 192 different people on their website every month, whereas y'all's website's only pulling in 55. So there's definitely a lot of pie left on the table for y'all to chase after. Now, the second thing I want to jump into is what are called citations in the Google Map Pack. So whenever I search chiropractor Waco, Texas, the Google Map Pack is what pulled up right here, and the first person I got was Cast Chiropractic. So the way that Cast Chiropractic has achieved this position is through what we call citations. And I actually did a quick search on citations for all 3 websites, including yours. And Cast Chiropractic is number 1 with 60 citations on their website. So this is them getting their name, address, and phone number out there to a bunch of different places, just indexing their contact info and bumping that number up to their website so they get pushed to the top here at the Google Map Pack. Now, the third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So essentially what a backlink is where one website points to another, telling Google that when searching for a certain topic, they need to pull up the website that's being pointed to first because they have all the authority. And essentially this turns into kind of a popularity contest in Google's eyes, because the more backlinks and domains providing backlinks that you have, the more authority Google gives you. So looking at backlinks, we'll take a look at yours first. So you have 639 backlinks, but only 20 referring domains. And Google likes to really optimize this number at a 1-to-1 ratio. So in Google's eyes, having this many backlinks with only this many domains kind of looks a little spammy, and they'll dock you for that and push you further down the list. Now, looking at Allied Chiropractic, they have 24 backlinks but 13 referring domains. So they're kind of at a 2-to-1 ratio right now, which is a lot better, and theirs still isn't perfect and would be easy to beat. Now, in closing, I just kind of want to touch on the 3 things I talked about today. Number 1 was content and having 1,500 words worth of content on your website. Number 2 was citations. So you really need to be at about 200 to 300 citations, just kind of beat everybody out by a landslide and really get your name pushed there to the top of the Google Map Pack. And then number 3 were our backlinks. So we want to have a good ratio of backlinks to domains in order to push our popularity up in Google's eyes. Because our goal is to get you to number 1 right here and number 1 right here. With that being said, once again, my name is Zach. My number is 903-715-7876. I'd really like to sit down and kind of talk to you about what your goals are with the business. I know you just opened up that location there in Gatesville. I'd be more than willing to optimize a website page for that as well. But yeah, if you have any questions, just give me a call, 903-715-7876. Thank you for your time and have a great day.